Welcome to the NeoBlade Ultrasonic Cutter Video Manual. In this video, we'll cover the basic operations for the main unit, charging dock, battery replacement, and blade changes. You'll also learn how to use, maintain, and safely operate your NeoBlade. When you receive your NeoBlade, the battery will be set to the child lock position. Rotate the battery 90 degrees to align with the on mark to power on. To remove the battery, turn it counterclockwise to the arrow mark, then pull it out. If not using the product for a long time, keep it in child lock mode to extend standby time and prevent misuse. Use a dual type C cable with a PD fast charging adapter of 20 watts or above. Non-PD chargers will not work. Low quality adapters may damage the product. During charging, the indicator will pulse. Once fully charged, it will stay solid white. Connect the TurboDock to a PD charger. Place the main unit on the dock. Its front indicator will show the charging level. If both the main unit and a spare battery are on the dock, the main unit will charge first, then the spare battery. With the unit powered on, press the button to start cutting. The work light and front lights will turn on. Release the button to stop. Push the button backward to enable 2-minute continuous mode. Switch again to resume if it times out. For your first cut, test on scrap material to get a feel for the tool and avoid overheating or applying excessive force. Battery light, locate on the left of charging port. It's blue, yellow, or red. Red means below 15%. Charge or use while charging. Work light, locate in the right side of charging port. Blue for normal cutting, white for high power cutting, yellow for an arrow. When it's yellow, check blade installation or clean it. Air is drawn in through microholes near the blade and expelled through vents on both sides. Keep at least one vent unobstructed. The fan runs about 30 seconds after cutting stops. Safety tips. Keep your supporting hand at least 1 inch away from the blade to avoid heat or debris. Apply light forward pressure. Avoid holding the blade stationary in material, as it can cause heat buildup and burn or melt. When cutting on a table, use an ultrasonic cutting mat. Regular mats won't suffice. Wait about 1 minute after cutting before touching the blade or replacing it. NeoBlade supports various Hozo official blades, from 30 Croft blades to curved and chisel types. Third-party blades may not match the required size or material, resulting in poor performance or inability to cut. Remove the screwdriver from the protective cap. Loosen the screw on the left side of the blade head. Just enough to release, no need to remove it. Use the magnetic tip of the screwdriver to lift the blade out. Hold the blade by the tail to remove it. Attach the new blade to the magnetic tip, insert it into the handle, and gently tighten clockwise. Avoid over-tightening or leaving it too loose. Made from high-carbon steel, blades should be kept dry and away from liquids. If rust forms, use rust remover and wipe completely dry. An optional blade case can attach to the TurboDock. It includes a one-way disposal slot for a safe waste blade collection. If cutting feels weak or the blade wobbles or makes noise, remove it, clean the tail, reinstall, and tighten the screw. If dirt or oil builds up inside the handle over time, fully remove the screw and blade clamp, clean all parts, and reinstall, aligning the clamp's notch with the screw hole before tightening. If the unit won't start after charging, check that the battery is installed correctly and not in child lock mode. Ensure the charger meets PD standards. Try another PD charger if necessary. The main unit and TurboDock use pocket pin contacts. If dirty, clean them before charging again. If airflow holes near the blade are blocked, gently remove the silicone cap, clean, and reinstall. Also, please keep vents clear of obstructions. If the work light is yellow and cutting doesn't start, check blade installation, cleaning, and cooling. Thank you for watching this video manual. If you encounter any usage problems or technical issues, please contact Hozo customer support.